Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Everything Teams. I'm Andy Batiste and today I'm going to show you how to set up a teacher-only folder in the file section. Alright guys, let's get straight into it, but don't forget, if you like the content Nathan and I push out, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that little bell button so you can get notified anytime we bring out new content. Now this is one that I've known for a long time, but I have never actually used it for this purpose, and it's setting up a private folder in the files section that is for teachers only or for owners only. So I have in the past used this permissioning settings to create folders for individual students, but I've never actually used it as a teacher only section. So quick little tip here is we're in the file section in Microsoft Teams and all of this is backed by SharePoint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the three little dots here and we're going to open in SharePoint. So that's going to open up our Teams here, and essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, and I might as well call it teacher only. This is obviously a place where you can put things, resources, information that you maybe don't want the students to have access to yet, and you might eventually be working on things or have it moved across. What we're going to do now is we're going to change the permissions to this folder. Because it's in the file section, everyone already default has access and edit access to that folder. So we want to change that and take away the access for our members. So I'm going to click on the folder, I'm going to head to our little information box over here, and then I'm going to hit manage access. So at the moment you can see my demo team members have edit access, obviously my owners have full access. But simply all I want to do is I want to stop sharing that folder with members. So any members that come into my team are not going to see that folder and they're not going to have any access to it. So it's essentially going to be an invisible folder. You as the owner and other owners and other teachers will have access to it. But I'm going to remove access to them. You can see that's taken away. I could do the same for visitors if you're ever going to have visitors in your team, just to make sure in case there's any sensitive information in there. But essentially what I've got now, if I head back to Teams, is a folder called teacher only that I can see as the teacher and the owner, and any other teachers or owners in the teams will have access to that too. And we can drop documents and files in there and obviously collaborate if you're team teaching or things like that. It's a really simple and easy way to create a private folder just for you as a teacher.